Space industry shaken up. Failure or learning. Elon Musk's mega rocket explosion. Failure or step forward. In the early hours of January 3, 2025, millions of eyes worldwide were glued to their screens, eager to witness a historic moment in space exploration. SpaceX, Elon Musk's company, was set to launch the most advanced rocket ever built. This ambitious project, known as Starship Ultra, promised not only to get humans to Mars sooner than expected, but also to revolutionize space logistics with unprecedented payload capabilities. However, what started as a moment of hope quickly turned into a shocking scene as the rocket exploded in a spectacular fireball just minutes after liftoff. Social media exploded with polarized reactions. Some mourned the tragedy, others harshly criticized SpaceX and Musk, while many pointed out that every step towards the future comes with risks. What went wrong? How does this event impact the aerospace industry? And more importantly, is this truly a failure or just another step towards success? Let's dive into these topics. The context behind the launch. The Starship Ultra rocket was SpaceX's crown jewel, designed to surpass previous models in power, payload capacity, and sustainability. It represented the next step in Elon Musk's vision of making humanity a multiplanetary species. This project was a result of years of research, trial, and error, involving thousands of engineers and scientists worldwide. But was it too ambitious for its time? One key feature of Starship Ultra was its Raptor X engine, an upgraded version of the original Raptor. This engine was designed to operate at extreme temperatures and pressures, promising greater efficiency but also posing significant technical challenges. Some experts had already warned of potential failures in the early testing phases. Ground tests had shown promising results, but transitioning to a flight test is always a leap in complexity. As Musk has said repeatedly, if something's gonna go wrong, I'd rather it happens in a test. The explosion. What do we know so far? Although the official investigation into the explosion is ongoing, preliminary data suggests that the problem originated in the propulsion system. A pressure loss in one of the main tanks appears to have triggered a chain of failures, culminating in the rocket's disintegration at an altitude of 12 kilometers. Incidents like this are not uncommon in the aerospace industry. For example, in 1967, Apollo 1 suffered a devastating fire during a ground test, resulting in the death of 3 astronauts. However, that tragic event drove significant improvements in space mission safety, paving the way for the Apollo program's success. So the question is, can SpaceX turn this mishap into a learning opportunity? A look at past mistakes. To understand the impact of this incident, it's important to analyze the role of failure in major scientific and technological advancements. History is full of examples where early failures led to revolutionary successes. The Wright brothers. The first successful flight in 1903 was preceded by countless failed attempts. Each mistake gave them key insights into how to improve their designs. Thomas Edison. His famous remark about having found 10,000 ways not to make a light bulb highlights the importance of iterative learning. NASA and SpaceX. Before Falcon 9's success, SpaceX faced 3 consecutive rocket launch failures. Musk revealed that if the 4th attempt had failed, the company would likely have collapsed. These examples remind us that failure isn't the end, but a starting point. So why should we view the Starship Ultra explosion any differently? Impact on the aerospace industry. The explosion of a rocket of this magnitude has implications that go beyond SpaceX. The aerospace industry operates in an interconnected ecosystem where every advance or setback affects multiple stakeholders, from government agencies like NASA to private companies and startups. Potential effects include delays in joint projects. NASA had planned to use Starship tech for its Artemis program, which aims to return humans to the moon. Financial impact. Investors might show greater caution in funding future space projects, though it could also push SpaceX to prove its resilience. Accelerated innovation. Each failure provides valuable data that can speed up technological advancements. Could this incident be the catalyst for an even more advanced version of Starship? Questions for reflection. At the end of the day, major advancements always raise profound questions. Is it acceptable to take such high risks for the sake of progress? Should private companies lead space exploration, or should it be the sole responsibility of governments? How can we balance ambition with safety? These questions don't just spark debate. They invite us to think about humanity's role in the universe. After all, space exploration isn't just a technological project. It's a collective effort to transcend our limits. Looking ahead, Elon Musk isn't one to back down easily. As Musk himself put it, risk is part of the game when you're trying to do something that's never been done before. SpaceX will undoubtedly analyze every piece of data to improve its designs and procedures. As spectators, we also have a role to play. We can choose to criticize from the comfort of our seats or acknowledge that every step toward the future comes with falls. So the final question is for you. Are you willing to dream bigger, even if it means failing along the way? Conclusion. The explosion of Starship Ultra in 2025 serves as a reminder that progress is never linear. It's a story of how the boldest dreams often face the greatest obstacles, but also how those same obstacles can become stepping stones toward a bright future. What's your take? Do you think this incident strengthens or weakens the cause of space exploration? Leave your comments and join us in this discussion. Don't forget to subscribe to Soon Knowledge to receive more content that will make you think and learn every day. Until next time.